So, you've asked the ultimate cosmic question. What would happen if Earth encountered a black hole? The answer, perhaps unsatisfyingly, is it depends. The outcome depends entirely on how we meet it. Because there's a world of difference between a black hole being a new disruptive neighbor and being our final destination. This is a tale of two very different black holes. Let's start with the gentler option. A standard stellar mass black hole doesn't swallow our planet. It just passes by. It drifts through the outer solar system, minding its own business. But its gravity is a cosmic wrecking ball. The orbits of the outer planets are warped into chaotic new paths. But the real danger comes from the Oort cloud. That giant sphere of icy comets at the edge of our system gets violently shaken. The black hole's gravity acts like a slingshot, hurling trillions of tons of rock and ice directly at us. It's not an instant apocalypse. It's death by 1,000 cuts, a permanent meteor storm that makes the dinosaur extinction look like a minor inconvenience. But now for the main event, a direct hit. We're on a one-way trip to a supermassive black hole. Before we even get there, we encounter a process with a wonderfully literal name: Spaghettification. The black hole's gravity pulls on your feet so much more strongly than your head that you get stretched out into a long, thin strand of human pasta. The same thing happens to our planet. Earth would be torn apart and stretched into a cosmic noodle trillions of kilometers long, flowing into the abyss. But here's where it gets truly strange. Time itself begins to break. As we approach the event horizon, time for us slows to a crawl. For every hour that passes for us, billions of years could pass for the rest of the universe. We'd get to watch the entire future history of everything unfold in our final moments. From our perspective, the sky would warp into a single brilliant point of light, a window to the entire universe. It would be the most spectacular view in history, and also the last. For anyone watching from a safe distance, we wouldn't even appear to fall in. We would simply slow down, get redder, and freeze on the edge of the event horizon, fading away for all eternity. And then, for us, nothing. We cross the point of no return, where the laws of physics, space, and time as we know them simply cease to exist. So, to summarize, a cosmic flyby would trigger a terrifying planetary light show, while a direct hit is just a one-way ticket to becoming universal spaghetti, a truly undignified end. And that brings us to our final crucial question. Let's be hypothetical. If you were being spaghettified, what would be the absolute worst song to have stuck in your head for the rest of eternity? Let us know your most cursed musical choice in the comments. And if you enjoy pondering the spectacular end of everything, be sure to subscribe for more mind-bending scenarios.